Welcome back to Solidworks for Dummies. So today I am here with an exercise. Going for that, I open the front plane and I would select from here the command, and then I will write the command name sketch picture. Okay, sketch picture. This. Okay, one more thing, you can also drag from here to here. Okay, that's the easy way. So instead of always going for here searching, so you can drag your most usually command here and just click here. Okay, now it will show the directory where you wanna go. So my desired file is in screenshot, so I'll go here. So opening the part, this is my screenshot with the help of which I would start drawing. Okay, so this is isometric view, this is front view, top view and side view. So I would go with the side view. Okay, this is 45 and you can say it is 60 and extruded 100 millimeter in length. So I would exit the sketch. Now I would make on other plane. Okay, so I would go to right plane, edit sketch. I would draw a rough sketch like, okay, keep in mind that it should be like at the origin because it is a good practice. It is 45 in dimension and horizontal is 60 in dimension. Sorry, 60. Now we will just, okay, there are two approaches of making like this. One approach is like this, in this like this, and you give just 20 mm, and same goes for here, 20 mm. Okay, this was a simple approach. The second one is also the simple. Okay, if we wanna remove this help, one option is that we can use control C unless all of these lines are back, or there is another option. So that option is simply go to stream. Okay, where is the stream? This is stream. It is select power streams and just then drag your mouse back. Okay, this is all deleted. Now, okay, control C, I will show you how to trim. Okay, power trim, just left, keep pressing your left key and just drag it all the way down. Don't leave the left click unless every file deleted. Now delete, I leave it. So that's all deleted. So the second approach was that you just click the offset and click this. See, it is created. Now how much offset you want? I needed offset of 20, so I would select 20 mm. Yeah, so now go to select line from here to here and again line from this to this. You can use L as a short key to draw the line. Now our basic structure is done. Okay, you can, okay, see where is the sketch we draw. You can't see because this is our right plane and we place our picture on the front plane. So I would just rotate like this by pressing the wheel of the mouse. You can see, yeah, so it was 40 60 20 and it is extruded 100. So I would again rotate it and I will simply go to feature, extruded boss. Okay, extruded boss, you can select mid plane. Okay, if this is not by any chance it is not selected, you just go to selected contours, select only this. You can see this is the selected contours. Okay, go to the mid plane. How much you want to draw? 100. yeah, 100 on either side, so it total 150 on this side, 50 on the other side of the front plane. So yeah, we are done till here. By any chance, if you wanna edit sketch of what you made this, so you can just go to here, just click this, and you can see this is showing edit sketch. Just edit sketch, and where is it's gone? Okay, it's here. By if any chance it is lost, you just go there, zoom to fit, you will see that it is present here. Or now you can see, okay, yeah, by with the help of wheel now you can zoom in as you want. So that was how to edit sketch once you have done it. Okay, now you can bring any changes, whatever you wanna draw, line, circle, or whatever. So I go back. Now I wanna make like front go this is our front plane, and now in the front plane I would like to draw this area. Okay, so inner dia is 40, outer is twice of radius 50, and yeah, we will go for that. Now I will select this like front plane. Okay, you can select from here as well, or you can select from here as well, but I would prefer from here as it gives a more like conceptual view. So edit. Okay, from on this surface you want to make new sketch, so just click here and go to sketch. Okay, not go for edit sketch, just go for new sketch. You can see the star here means it's a new sketch, so it's the new sketch. And now we are going to draw here circle, so you can see the circle, and it is the you know now you have to draw the circle. Just take your mouse here and keep upward. Now you see it will automatically show you some midpoint, so click here and then draw the circle roughly. And now we have to go to the diamond. Okay, again once again we have to draw two circles. Okay, instead of drawing two, we can go with the same concept as previous. First I have to draw 40 dia, again it is 50, so I will go for offset. Click this, and I have to make it 10. See, it is 10. Now it is 10. What I have to do is that go to normal, and I have to draw some line over here. Okay, see, okay, you can simply like normal too, and just draw the line over here. Okay, like this, and escape, and then again L, short key for line, and click this. Once it is the purpose of this line was to make the closed loop. Okay, now I will trim this inner line. See, if I had not made this first, it was not trimmed. Now it is easily trimmed. And one more thing, that it is a closed loop, and now we can use this closed loop for extrusion. Keep in mind that we cannot extrude open contour, so this is closed because it is all the way, so we can you can say we can extrude it as well. Okay, so we go to the again sketch how it is. So yeah, it is all the way from here to here, it is extruded. So I would go for feature, extruded boss, like not this. Just now see, it is not understanding which area to extrude. See, now go to the contours, select, I wanna extrude this region, and extrude this region, and extrude this region, and see it is showing like this is way. So what we do, go to the surface, up to surface, okay, just click here, so it will automatically extrude up to this surface. Now this was the other method how to extrude. So previously we did mid plane and now we did up to surface. Okay, up to surface, select this. Now yeah, see it is extruded. Now today we will go with some new command, that is convert entities. Okay, sketch convert entities. So I wanna draw the my previous, okay, I will, you can see I wanna make hole in it. Okay, so the die of the hole is 40. So I previously draw the circle here of 40 diameter, so I don't wanna use new circle, so I find it convenient to sketch my previous sketch. Okay, so what I will do is that just place here and sketch. Okay, so as it is a circle, so we find it easy, we can draw new circle as well. But when we move to like complex, so at that time we need such kind of commands like convert entities. So I will say just show me. Okay, show. So now our previous circle, previous sketch of this is also showing. Now I will click only this and I will say convert entities. Okay, now I hide it, previous sketch. Now see it, the sketch is created on new sketch. So this is what I did not draw the circle, I used the previous circle on new circle. Okay, on new sketch. So this is and now we wanna extruded cut through all. So I would go to the feature and extruded cut. Okay, now yeah, it is automatically selected. In case it was not selected, you could have go to this selected contours and select this area like this, selected contours and select this. See, you can see that. Now go to the feature. Okay, blind, you can select blind or through all. I would go to through all. Okay, through all it would go to only this model. Now I will select OK. See, it is created. Now what we have to do, and anything else we needed to solve this? No, I don't think we are done here. Yeah, one more thing, is it 20 mm? Because go to the, okay, if you want to check the dimension roughly while building, you can go to evaluate and go to measures, select this and select this, you will see your dimension, yeah, 20. So you can select this and select this, you can see again Control C and go to the measure, select this and select this. So this helps a lot while making, while measuring in modeling. So measure tool also help. So that's all. Okay, once your model is done, you don't need it, if you don't need further, so you just go to here and delete it. You can delete it as well or you can suppress it as well. So after suppressing, it will vanish and we have our model ready. See, that is fantastic and beautiful. That's all for today. See you in next tutorial. Goodbye.